Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to download and install the free AI video generator WanGP in Windows. Also, we are going to learn how to install Sage Attention 2 in WanGP. Before we begin installing WanGP, make sure you have installed Miniconda and Git in your computer. If you don't have them, the download links are in the description. So, let's get started. First, let's download WanGP. So we have to open the Anaconda prompt and then run this command. So let's see about that. First, let's copy the command, then open the Anaconda prompt, paste the command, and press enter. Then wait for a while. The download is complete. A folder called WAN2GP has now been created in the current working directory. Next, let's enter the WAN2GP folder. Type cd WAN2GP and press enter. We are now inside the WAN2GP folder. Let's clear the window. Next, we need to create a Conda virtual environment for WANGP. To do this, run this command in the Anaconda prompt, which is conda create -nwan2gp python equal 3.10.9-y. This command creates a virtual environment named wan2gp. So, let's copy the command, paste it inside the prompt, and press enter. It's completed. Now, let's activate the new virtual environment. Type conda activate wan2gp and press enter. It's now activated as shown in the left corner. Let's clear the window by typing CLS and pressing enter. Next, we need to install PyTorch 2.7.0 with CUDA 12.8 into this new environment. For that, use this command. Let's copy the command now, paste it inside the Anaconda prompt, and press enter. It's completed. Let's clear the window. Next, we need to install the important dependencies for running WanGP. For that, use the following command: pip install -r requirements.txt. Let's copy the command, paste it inside the Anaconda prompt, and then press enter. It's completed. Let's clear the window. Now, let's move on to the next step, installing Sage Attention for faster generation. First, we need to install a package called Triton Windows. For that, type pip install Triton-Windows and then press enter. Like before, it's completed successfully. Now let's focus on Sage Attention. If you want to install Sage Attention 1, run this command. However, some people say Sage Attention 1 doesn't work on the RTX 50 series, so I suggest trying Sage Attention 2 if you are an RTX 50 series user. If you choose to install Sage Attention 2, let's see how we can do that. First, let's open this link in the browser. Here we go. Let's scroll down. In here we are looking for Sage Attention 2 made for Python 3.10 and Torch 2.7.0 with CUDA 12.8. Here it is. The file name confirms it's made for Torch 2.7.0, CUDA 12.8, and CP310, which means Python 3.10. Let's click on it and download it. I will save this in my Downloads folder. After the download, let's open the Downloads folder. Here is the Sage Attention file. Right-click on it and choose Copy as Path. Now, switch back to the Anaconda prompt and type pip install. Then, paste the path and press enter. There we go, the installation is completed. We are now ready to launch WanGP. To launch it, type python space wgp.py space --open -browser and press enter. Then, wait for a while. Here we go. Now we can see the user interface of WanGP, and we can start using it. At the top, you have the option to choose from a variety of video generation models, and WanGP also supports some image generation models. When you try to use a model for the first time, it will automatically download the model to your computer. Now let's close the browser and switch back to the Anaconda prompt. To quit WanGP, just press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. After a moment, WanGP will terminate. Next time you want to launch WanGP, simply open the Anaconda prompt, activate the virtual environment, switch to the WanGP folder, and use the launch command. If you want to speed up this process, you can use a launcher I made, which can also handle updating WanGP. I made a video about this launcher, so if you're interested, be sure to watch it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with another video.